Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNet Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in last video, I was working on bus ticket part of our project. So let's continue. We are in seats available.php file where I was providing the PHP script and HTML codes for the number of seats that user has chosen a random to book them. So here first let me check whether the GUI that I have written for the seat number 1 is working or not. So come to Apache admin part. Okay, move to the bus tutorial.main.php. Okay, click on bus ticket. Now search for the buses using Patna and Ranchi as a destination and boarding station, and choose one specific date of journey, and I am choosing Tuesday. Now choose one of the bus, so I am choosing Permit Travels. Now I need to log in and perform the search operation for second time. So performing the search operation for second time using the same data that I have chosen before. Okay, now we are on seats available.php file. On clicking on one, let's first see the output. No, there is no any desired GUI showing us after choosing seat 1. There must be either in our PHP code. So let's check it. Okay, here is here. Proceed to book seat. Okay. Now copy this value and paste it inside post variable. Where was that? Yes, here. Now again perform the search operation for one seat. Yes, this time you can see customer name and ticket number is available. Sorry, the space for writing customer name and ticket number is available. and the button for add passenger is available, and also you can choose the seat number from different seats. But the problem is here is that the corresponding seat number allocated is not showing in our GUI, so we need to do that. Come to end and okay, here I need to type L1, and similarly for other seats inside a span tag, L3 and L4, L5, L6 and L7. Okay, there is also available L8, so no need to worry about that. L7 and L8. L8. Okay, now save this and refresh this page and perform booking seat with the seat number 1. Okay, now you can see there is a seat number allocated with the corresponding seat number L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7, L8. Now one problem again is there. We need to make the color of text white so that it can be visible properly. For this, come to class, font weight bold and text light. Okay, there is no any class provided as text light, so we will provide it text light, and copy this line of code and paste it in all the input tag available having the type checkbox. No, I have already added. You must notice that I have already added text light color, text light class. So no need to add again. Then why color is not white of the value of the sheet? Okay, I will solve it again. So okay, do one thing, add here direct class booking section text light. I will refresh the page, perform search operation, Come to bottom. Now you can see they are appearing in white color, but when we are using text light class with input tag, then it is not working. Okay, we will check it later. Why is it so? First, let me solve this, complete this section. Font weight bold. One another problem is that I need to make this column and this column, means both the input tag should be come under a single line with equal width. So for this, div class from post. Okay, add another class called div class with the value deflex. Okay, inside which we will have div class p2. And inside which I will have this span class. Cut this and paste inside this div class. Okay, similarly for other div class as other span class. So copy this line of code. Yes, paste it here, again paste it, again paste it, again paste it, again paste it. And now remove all other span tag containing the input tag with the type attribute with the value checkbox. Now change the, okay, first let me check span tag. There I will also another span tag with the other div tag with the class p2 for this. So okay, refresh this page. Come to above and proceed to book sheet with sheet number 1. This is good. Problem here, customer name and customer mobile. Okay, come to above. I need to check what is that error, why our GUI is not visible properly. Okay, we will continue this part in next video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos comes time to time on your local device. And stay tuned with us. Thank you. See you in next video.